When I first started playing guitar, I loved practicing. It wasn't long before I realized something was missing. When I practiced my rhythm guitar, there was no melody. And when I practiced lead guitar, the rhythm was missing. I tried finding other people to practice with, but that had a whole bunch of other problems that came along with it, including different levels, schedules, and quite frankly, fear that I wasn't good enough. Then I tried recording my guitar and playing along with it. I started off using that old school multi-track tape recorder. Things have changed. I use the computer now. But for practicing, that didn't really work out. I lost momentum. Then I discovered this tool. It allowed me to play 2, 3, even 4 guitar parts without the hassle of putting on headphones or having to stop between each of the parts. Ironically, I actually had one in my closet for years. I just never took the time to learn to use it. Now I practice rhythm guitar, arpeggios, triads, and lead guitar easily. Man, it's a lot of fun.
Hold on! I know you're thinking, Thomas, this is a looper. This is nothing new. Well, hang in there with me for just a little bit. I'll show you how I use this looper to change an ordinary practice session into a magical musical adventure.
Okay, I'll start off with a simple bass line. That's always a good foundation to work from. Let's see. G, E minor, C, and D. Okay, that's grooving. We'll add a little arpeggio to that. Something like that. Here we go. Okay, that's okay. It needs something to kind of glue it together. I'll play a simple chord. Just give it a little harmony there in the background. Kind of a bed. Not too loud. Now that's something I can jam with. Good backing track. And we need something to make it sound more musical. I'm thinking of a melody, so it sounds more like a song. I'll throw in some octaves. See what we can do here. That sounds more like a song now. Maybe add a little spice to it. Just a little. Good. Now that melody's gotten a little buried. Let's double that melody. That'll bring it down a little bit. Here we go. That's it. Oh, I hear a harmony. Okay, yeah. Let's add that. That's it.
Well, that was fun. Creating this and practicing to play it right took me hours, but it wasn't work. It was fun. The time just flew by. I look forward to every chance I got to sit down and come up with another part or tweak it a little bit. If you want to get good at guitar, a tool like this really helps. There's one more secret ingredient I want to share with you, and I call it secret only because it took me a while to get it. Watch this next video all the way to the end and apply what I teach you. You'll be glad you did.